Hey, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald and today we're going to be checking out the 2024 Honda Ridgeline Trailsport. Now if you want a free quote on this vehicle or any new or used vehicle, check out the link in the description or in the pinned comment. But without further ado, let's check out the Honda Ridgeline Trailsport. So the 2024 Honda Ridgeline Trailsport fits in the midsize truck segment. Its competitors are the Ford Ranger, Chevrolet Colorado, GMC Canyon, and the Toyota Tacoma. But underneath the hood, we have a 3.5 liter V6 motor that has 280 horsepower. I've done some real world testing to see the gas mileage on it. It gets around 25 miles per gallon around the highway and city. But let me go ahead and close this up and we'll take a look at some features up front. On the Trailsport, you're going to have the blacked out grille with this big Honda badge right in the middle, Trailsport logo to the side, and you have the LED surrounds around the headlights. Underneath the Trailsport, you're going to have a metal skid plate up front. And moving over to the wheels on the side, these are wrapped in General Grabber tires. These are all-terrain tires, and the size on them is 245/60/18s. They're the same size up front as they are in the back. Now this is the color from Honda called Sonic Gray, which is a really cool color from them. You also have the keyless entry up front, so you can go ahead and have the key in your pocket and lock or unlock it with this button right here. Moving to the back on the bed, we have a lot of cool features back here. So you can open up the bed normally, just like this, and it'll come down for you. And you have all of this storage space inside. You have two tie downs on each corner, but you can also swing it out to the side with this lever right here. So if you pull on this release, it'll swing out just like that. And you do have this button right here that you can open up and reveal some storage space where you can hide a body or something like that. You also have your spare tire, jack, everything you need to get your tire replaced if you happen to pop a tire. I'll go ahead and close this up. Inside the bed, it is pretty shallow. It's about 1.5 feet, 2 feet tall, so not a lot of volume inside here, but it's nice to just throw stuff back there. Big Ridgeline logo on the back with the Honda and Trailsport as well. You do have these plastic step-ups that you can step up into the bed with, and you have your tow hitch down here, which the towing capacity on this vehicle is 5,000 pounds. Two exhaust outlets on the back for that 3.5 liter V6. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back seats. So inside of here we have full leather seating surfaces with orange stitching. Super comfortable to sit back there. Now this seat up front is where I would normally be sitting at. I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day with shoes on. So this is the leg room I have. Plenty of headroom up here. My head isn't touching or anything like that. We have our handles and we have a couple of vents back here with some chargers. There's storage behind the passenger and driver's seat. And another cool feature on these seats back here is that it has the handles that you can pull up on to have extra storage space. So it'll do that on both sides. And if you want to put it back down, you just pull on this lever and it'll come right back down for you. On the doors, you're going to have your cup holders, storage, leather arm pad with the orange stitching. Now taking a look up front, you have a power driver and passenger seat that'll move forwards, backwards, and recline. Same accents on these door panels as well, the black leather with all the storage and the orange stitching. Lock and unlock buttons with your window controls. We also have our glove box inside of here with pretty good storage space. But let me move around to the inside and we'll take a look at some more stuff in there. So sitting up front on the 2024 Honda Ridgeline Trailsport, we have these nice leather seats with the orange stitching, perforated leather, and the Trailsport embossed inside the headrest. This one comes equipped with a sunroof that you can open up or tilt up. In the middle, you have a super deep center console with plenty of storage space. Two cup holders up front that are pretty big so you can fit big water bottles inside of there. And we have our buttons right here that will shift the vehicle. So you have park, reverse, neutral, drive/sport mode. You also have different drive modes and the automatic stop start that you can cut on or off. There's a pad right here that is a wireless phone charger for your phone. More storage here in the middle. Heated seats up front with your USB-C and USB. 12-volt charger right there. But let me go ahead and cut it on. So we have a push button start on this vehicle. So you can start it up with the key in your pocket. Now, all of your AC controls are going to be located in the middle. You can adjust your fan speed up or down. And we have dual zone climate on this vehicle, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side. This touchscreen right here is very responsive to the touch. We have plenty of apps inside of here. including navigation, phone, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. Now the steering wheel is wrapped in leather as well, and it has the orange stitching across the top and bottom. These buttons right here are going to have your cruise control, your forward collision, and your lane keep assist. There's also paddles behind the steering wheel so you can upshift or downshift this transmission. And here's a closer look at that steering wheel. So we have our volume adjustments, we can seek, home button, we can scroll up and down through the center menu, hands-free voice commands, horn, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and forward collision. These are your cruise control buttons as well, and you have your upshift and downshift behind the steering wheel. On the right side, you're going to have your windshield wiper controls, and on the left side, you're going to have your light controls. Moving over to the left some more, you have all of your mirror adjustments, and this does have power folding mirrors, so if you press that button, those will fold right in for you. This also has the blind spot assist, so if there's a car in your blind spot, that little car right there will light up orange on the driver and passenger side. Fuel economy button right here, you can press that, and that will reduce the engine power to help keep you get better gas mileage. Alright guys, so taking off in the 2024 Honda Ridgeline Trailsport. We have our shifter down here, so if I put it in reverse, my backup camera will pop up and my mirrors will fold down. I can also put it in drive, and if you press that again, it'll put it in sport mode and increase the throttle response and stiffen up the steering. We'll leave it in just drive right now. There is a few different modes up here as well, so we have normal, snow, mud, and sand. Right now, I'm just going to be in normal mode. So we'll go ahead and take off. Now this vehicle sits very low for a truck. It feels a lot like an SUV. But that V6 is very responsive. When you have it in normal mode with the economy mode off, if you take off the economy, it will lower the throttle response a little bit. But just driving around, it is very smooth. The steering is nice and responsive, and all of the safety features are very nice to have when you're driving around town or on the highway. The steering on it feels great as well. But this is a nice alternative to an SUV. If you want a truck that has more capability in the back, including a truck bed, towing capacity up to 5,000 pounds. So this is paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission, 280 horsepower with this V6, which definitely gets pretty loud, as you can hear there. The suspension is nice and soft, soaks up all the bumps very well. But overall, this is a great driving small truck. I definitely wouldn't mind driving this every day, and the gas mileage is pretty hard to beat in this segment, coming in at around 25 miles per gallon. But what we'll do now, guys, is close out the video and take one last look at it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe down below for more car content. So that is the 2024 Honda Ridgeline Trailsport. If you guys want a free quote on this vehicle or any new or used vehicle, check out the links in the description or in the pinned comment. I appreciate you guys watching until the very end, and I'll see you guys next time.